400 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers in 5 good days. Is that actually possible? How? Okay, guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how a subscriber of mine got 10,000 subscribers in 5 good days. She was on 100 subs, and when she implemented the exact thing I told her to do, in fact, I was just heading out and I saw a message on my WhatsApp. I'll just read it to you guys so that you can see that I am not even capping at all. I'm not adding anything to this. I'll put it somewhere here so that you can see the message. And she was like, "Thank you so much for the tips. You won't believe I have 10,000 subscribers and still counting. I didn't even do the duet that much, just 3 to 4 videos, and I can't believe my eyes. 3 to 4 videos gave her 10,000 subscribers, 10,000 active subscribers in just 5 days. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do that. In fact, out of excitement, I was like, no, 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 I need to make this video right away because I was just heading out and I was like, no, 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 I must not gatekeep anything. I must not wait to come back before I start this video. So if you are stuck at 0 subscribers for months, or probably you're stuck at 5 or 10 or 100 subscribers for months, for years, please watch this video to the very end because this video is for you. If you know you want to get subscribers before the year runs out, before December, please this video to the very end because I'm going to be explaining the exact strategy which she did. She implemented my strategy and gave her that 10,000 subs. So guys, let's get to it. So this is for those that are still doubting. You can see she had 100 subs before she got to 1,000 subs in 3 days. So now she has 10,000 subscribers. Now that was when she sent me this WhatsApp message today. Now this is another message which I got this morning from my comments. This is to tell you that this actually works. So what you need to do is to head over to your YouTube, then you click on the search bar, then you're going to type Luna. Let me type Luna. Yes, Luna Blocks US. So you have to search for this particular channel and it will take you to this interface. Then you click on view channel. So once you click on view channel, it will take you to all its full videos. So now you click on shorts, then you click on popular. Now this will take you to most of the videos that did really well. The 16 million, you will see that it did not allow remix. So there are some of his videos that it didn't allow remix. So let's check on this one. This one allowed remix. So let's try this one. Then you click on that remix, you're going to see collab. So you click on collab. So once you click on collab, you click on where you see 15 seconds for it to bring you the full video. Then you drag this thing to the very end. You can drag it, but make sure it is the full video. Then you click on next. Then you allow it to process. Now you can see. So once you get to this interface, if you are using Android, make sure you mute your mic. But if it is iPhone, it will automatically mute the mic itself. So you need to press this red thing and it will start recording. So what you just need to do is to just react to some of the videos. Okay, just make sure you do 1 or 2 reaction to keep the video lively. So I'm not going to make this video long. So after reacting, click on next and it will process like this. Yes, then it will take you to this interface. Now this is where the work is. You use the exact caption that the owner used for his original video. You understand? So in that video, the owner wrote, I guess your mom's name. I guess your mom's name. Yes. So after writing that, make sure you use these 3 hashtags: hashtag shorts, hashtag Minecraft, and hashtag duet. Now the reason why you are using duet is because you are actually duetting that person's video. It is not your original video. Do you get? Make sure that any of your videos which you do that you collab with this guy's shorts, make sure you put duet because it is not your own video. You are actually duetting. And for those that are thinking probably I may get a strike using another person's video, no, you are not going to get a strike because your picture is there, your video is there, so it is more like your own. So that is how it is. Then what you need to do is to click on this, remove it from private, make it public. Then you choose no, it is not for kids. Don't choose yes, it is for kids because you will not get the visibility. Then choose no, it is not altered content. So make sure you check all these things, that everything is in check before you press upload. So the next thing to do is to click on that pencil icon to choose our thumbnail. Choose one of the videos that is very catchy. So I'm just going to slide left or right to see which of the thumbnail is nice. So I think this is okay. So just make sure you choose a thumbnail that is very catchy. Yeah, I don't know why this thing's like this. Okay, I think I prefer this. Yes, this is more catchy. It will give that curiosity vibe. So after that, you upload your shot. Now you need to do this 6 times, at least 6 times per day, for you to get results. Don't do it twice and expect to get result. Oh, make sure you do it 6 times. So if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.